In this video, or the series of videos, we're going to build an application like this. This is a typical financial application that'll show you the future value of an investment based on the return, the expected rate of return, and also the number of years that the money will be invested. So for example, if I have $100 today, and rather than going out and spending that, I'm going to put that in some sort of investment vehicle, and let's say it's the expected rate of return will be 10% a year, which is an excellent rate of return, and I'm going to let it sit there for 25 years. Okay, so in 25 years the initial investment of $100 will be worth over $1,000 at that expected rate of return. So this is a fairly simple application, and it'll allow us to talk about, not only constructing a simple interface and some of the naming conventions that I'd like you to use in class, but also, a discussion of data types, which is very important as we're doing this type of application that's working with numbers and doing calculations. So really quickly, let me just show you the formula. This is a very typical financial formula. You may have seen it before. The future value, meaning the value, the $1,000 that I got in the last demo there, the value of the money, after the number of years, is going to be equal to the initial amount. That was the $100 I put in. That's the principal, times 1 plus the expected rate of return. I think I did expected 10% rate of return. Now I typed in a 10, okay, as in 10%, and that's typically what a user or a layperson will want to type in, but behind the scenes that's 10%, meaning it's this number. So we'll have to divide that number by 100 once it's in our application, the user's input that is. So the interest rate will be the expected rate of return in decimal form, not percentage form. And then that's going to be raised to a power, which is the number of years invested, and that was the 25 that I typed in. So you'll also get to see how to do exponentiation in C# as well. So in the next video we'll build the interface, and then in the third video we'll do the calculation.